Hey guys, welcome to this video. My name is Rohit, and this is our video number 3 of our Fix Your Biology series. And in this series, we are trying to optimize our life to become a better version of ourselves. And we are working on 5 different areas of our life to do that. Now, if you haven't watched the introduction video of our Fix Your Biology challenge, and you don't know what I'm talking about, what this series is all about, and how you can become a better version of yourself, go ahead and check out the description. And in the description, you will find the link to the introduction video where I'll explain you everything that what this challenge is all about and how you can go ahead and step by step start to implement everything in your life and how you can become a better version of yourself without getting all that confusion, without doing everything all at once. And in this video series, I'm also showing you every single day that what I am doing in my life as well, so that you can go ahead and follow me with all those videos as well. Okay, so go ahead and check out the introduction video if you haven't. Now let's get started with today's video. So guys, yesterday I created a video where I shared that what I am doing to improve my body. So with every single day, every video, I'm working on just one area of my life. So in the very first video, I talked about my sleep and how I'm improving my sleep, my sleeping time, my wake up time, and what is the first thing that I do in the morning. In the second video, I talked about that how I'm working on my body by going to gym every single day, and I have fixed a time when I go to gym. But in this video, I'm not going to talk about any topic. In this video, I'm going to share with you that how you can go ahead and organize everything, how you can go ahead and look at everything that how you're doing in all different areas and how you can track your progress and make sure whatever you're doing, you are staying on track with that. Okay. So for that, I've created a spreadsheet. With this spreadsheet, you can track your every single day's activity. The reason that I wanted to create this spreadsheet because it is really important for you to track anything that you want to improve in your life. So if it is something that you cannot track, you will not be able to improve in that area, whether it's your personal life, professional life, financing, or anything that you do. So it is really important for you to track your progress. So for that, I've created a spreadsheet. So let me quickly turn towards my computer screen where where I'll show you the spreadsheet and how you can go ahead and use it. All right, guys, so I hope you can go ahead and look at my computer screen. So this is the spreadsheet that I've created, and I'll also share this spreadsheet with you, but let me first show you that how it really works. So this is our Fix Your Biology spreadsheet. And in this spreadsheet, I've written these 6 things. So number one is days. So this is day one, day two, day three. So every single day, we'll go ahead and start writing things, whatever we are working on. So let's say if we do something on our morning routine. Okay, quick update. Initially, I wrote here sleep, and the 5 areas that we were working on, we decided to work on sleep, mindset, diet, body, and environment. But instead of talking about sleep, sleep is a kind of a small topic, so I thought instead of calling sleep, I changed it to morning routine because in morning routine we can add a lot of different things and we can talk about a lot of different stuff that we can improve. But in sleep, we will not be able to do. Would not be able to do it. So that's why I changed sleep to morning routine. In future, we may change different topics as well, but for now, I want to fix it to morning routine. Okay, so morning routine, mindset, diet, body, and environment. Okay, so now let me show you that how it will work. So on the day one, what I did that I decided that I will go to sleep early and wake and so that I can wake up early in the morning. So it's all about inputs versus output, right? So whatever the output we want, let's say we want to wake up early in the morning, 6 in the morning, we have to go ahead and go to sleep at around 11 or 11:50 max, right? So that we can have a good sleep of around 6 to 7 hours. So with that, we will fix it. So this is the first thing that I decided. So this is what we'll write here. Okay. So uh, bed early at around 11 to 11:30, right? PM. That's it. So this is what I've written here. And the first thing that we want to do here is make when we wake up, make your bed. Okay. So this is the first thing that I want to do. So this is what I've written here. Okay. So on the day one, we haven't done anything else. Okay. And I want you to improve your life slowly, day by day. Okay. Don't try to do everything in a day because then you will get confused. And then on the second day, we talked about body. And we are doing it in no particular order. So if you think you want to fix your body first, you can do it. If you want to fix your mindset first and you want to add some activity that help you to improve your mindset, you can do that. But I thought like body is something that I can quickly work on. So for my body, uh, gym time every day from 5 to 7. Okay, wait. 5 to 7 p.m. Right? So this is it. So this is what I'm doing to work on my body. Okay. Now, and then if this is these are the two things that I did. So that's why I've included these things. Now, the important part is here. Like you can see that I've written here that I'm working on my morning routine and I want to go to bed early and uh, I want to go to my bed at around 11 or 11:30 so that I can wake up early in the morning. And the first thing that I want to do in the morning is I want to make my bed. Now, this is the whatever we write here, we want to apply these things every single day. Okay, so here what I want to do is I want to copy here, okay, and do this. So I want to make sure that I do this on the day two as well. Okay, when I'm going to gym, I want to make it take it forward and I want to go to gym to day three as well. Okay, so whatever we write here, whatever the things that we are working on these things, we want to do all those things every single day. It is not a one time thing. It is not something that you'll do for a day or two and then you will forget about it, right? So that's why I want you to do it one thing a day so you can make a habit of doing these things after some time, because if I try to do all those things in just one day, you will get confused. So on day one, just focus on doing one activity. Okay. On day two, try to do the activity that you did on the day one and add one more activity. Then on day three, do two activities that you did on day one and day two, and then add one more activity. So every single day, we will add one activity to one area of our life. So we can start implementing all these things into our life and make a habit of doing these things. All those activity, whatever activity that you add, that activity does not have to be complicated or really hard or something that you have to think about a lot. It can be really simple and easy, something that you can either do in 2 minutes or something that takes you 2 hours, but with complete focus, like when I'm working out, I need 2 hours, so I fixed that 2 hours for my body. And when I wake up early, it takes me about a minute or two to make up my bed. So that's what I fixed right here. Okay. So this is how we are going to do all those things, right? So when I'll move to day three, what I'll do is I'll again repeat that one and move it to here. And again, when I'm moved to day three, I'll move this thing here. So every single day, I'll look at this sheet and see what I need to do today to fix my morning routine. I look at this sheet and do that activity. That's it. Okay. So that's how when we start filling this sheet, we'll know exactly every single day what are the activities that we need to do to improve in all different areas of life. And this way you can track that what you're doing every single day, whether you are able to follow up these activity every single day. And if you miss out on these activities any day, just leave it blank so you can see that on which day you missed out on these activities, so you can really track your progress, and at the end of the month see how far you have gone by following these activity, how much changes have you been able to brought up in your life using these activity. Okay, so this is a really cool but very simple spreadsheet that you can use. Like I mentioned, that you don't really have to add multiple different activities all at once. Don't try to add activities that you think that you will do. Just add the activities that you are actually have done on that day. Okay, so only add activity that you'll do here. Okay, after doing that activity, add that activity to here, because I don't want you to use this sheet as a planning sheet that you'll just add things here randomly, that every single day you read books, every single day you eat this food, every single day you go to gym, every single day you meet people, every single day you make up your bed, but then you don't do anything, right? So don't use this as a planning sheet. Use this as a tracking sheet. Only add activity here once you're done with that activity. Okay, so this is the spreadsheet that I'm using right now, and every single day I'll go ahead and take a screenshot of this sheet and show you this sheet every single day, that what I'm doing and how this sheet is helping me to improving my life. Okay, so right here in the description you can go ahead and find a link to this sheet. You can copy this sheet and you add your own activity. The best part is that you can go ahead and edit this sheet and fill out this sheet from your computer as well as from your iPhone or Android phone, whatever phone you have. You just have to download a Google Sheet app on your phone, and you're good to go. So you don't really need to have a computer. If you have a cell phone and you want to track all these activity from your cell phone, you can go ahead and do this, right? So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm excited for this challenge, for this series, because it's been just 3 days, and I can start to feel the change that I'm able to bring in my life. I'm getting confidence on camera. I'm getting confidence with all these activities, and I'm following these activities. I'm pretty sure after 90 days we will be able to bring a lot of changes. Okay, so go ahead and look for this sheet and download this sheet and start filling your own details to it. And if you haven't watched the introduction video, go ahead and watch the introduction video so you will understand completely from start that what this series is all about and how you can go ahead and use it to become a better version of yourself. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.